welcome to my channel. So today is August 14 and nag-decide ako mag-vlog. So mamaya gagawa ako ng black sambo and i-share ko sa inyo yung mga recipe. Mga recipe. So actually, konti lang naman siya. I'm just really excited to make black sambo. Matagal na yung last kong gawa ng black sambo. The reason why I want to make black sambo today is that tomorrow is the birthday of Carla. Advance happy birthday, Mars. She's actually right here beside me. So, ayun. So, gagawa lang kami ng black sambo today. And, yeah, isasama ko kayo sa pinaka-boring na araw namin everyday kapag walang work. So, ayun. Yeah. So, since hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch, guys, I'm going to cook this Hungarian sausage. Just going to get my milk. So, this is my lunch. So, kakatapos ko lang po kumain. Maya-maya, gagawa na ako ng black sambo. Of course, with the help of Mars. No, Mars, no? Buligan mo ko. Yes! So, yes. In a while. So, after kumain, guys, what I usually do is to stand or to walk for 10 minutes or something para, of course, hindi lumaki yung tiyan. Oh my gosh, who's calling? Oh my god. Riza is calling. So, say hi to the vlog, Riz.
Hi, Riz.
Oh my gosh!
Ako niyan. Ito, stud mo na ko
So,
makilala
ako, guys, na
Palampa, pero maado ka.
ay, mas. So, right now, guys, magluluto na ako ng black sambo. But we're going to start with the white one or yung milk part ng black sambo. And the ingredients are... So, yung ingredients sa white part is Nestle cream, yung condense. But sa condense, actually, yung ginagamit ko is Milkmaid. But since walang Milkmaid doon sa hypermarket, I just bought this Liberty Condensada. And then yung gelatin. So, I'm just gonna use the Ferna. So, you can actually use Nox. But since Ferna lang available, then we're gonna use this. So, for the chocolate part, we're just gonna use this Alpine. Of course, yung gelatin. The brown sugar. But nakita ko sa video, they use white sugar. But since we don't have white sugar, we only have brown sugar. So, brown sugar yung gagamitin natin. And this cocoa powder, but we're going to strain. I'm not sure kung yun ba yung right na word. Basta yung isa-strain siya para maging pino yung substance ng cocoa powder. So, the first thing that we need to do is to boil 1 cup of water. So, ayan. So, yung ginagawa ko is just 1 cup of water because I'm going to put... So, syempre, dadami pa yan mamaya kasi maglalagay pa ako ng condensed, ng Nestle cream and stuff. So, dadami pa yan. 1 cup of water is fine. So, hintayin lang natin ma-boil yung water and then we're going to mix the gelatin after. So, ilalagay ko na yung gelatin, guys, since mainit naman. So, habang nilalagay ko yung gelatin, just stir it so that ma-dissolve. We're going to put the condense. Next, we're going to put the Nestle cream. nilagay ko na siya sa ref, guys. And we're just going to wait na mag-firm siya para maluto na natin yung chocolate part. And naka-focus. So, this is our normal situation. Nakahiga and then nag-Netflix. So, actually, hindi pa kami nakapag-relax kasi ang daming hair fall everywhere. So, nakakainis talaga yung hair fall, guys, to be honest. Diba? Gabi ka, Mars. Baudria man isa ilo sa akong nga bed. Ay, bed, charot. Ako nga po. Sorry, wala kaming bed pala. Patapos na namin manood ng It's Okay Not to Be Okay and we are so happy. Charot, so happy.
Just meeting with the movie na gusto din namin yung buhay namin ganun.
Yes. We're planning to go to Korea! Charot lang. Siyempre, malay mo, Mars, matuod ang ginamba ko din sa video na.
Oh, Marcy, ano ganun.
Nakaka-distract talaga yung, parang distracting talaga, guys, nung pimple ko sa face. Ito ba, Mars? Ka-distracting, no? So, look how boring our life is. This is just us. Oh my gosh, Mars, you're so white there. Oh. So, upon checking, matigas na siya, guys. So, meron ditong surprise si Mars. So, bumili siya ng ito. This one is from Ribonet's Bake Shop. And ito ay isang pianonoy. Dumamon, gali girl. So, this is the ulam that Carla cooked. Kakatapos na namin kumain. So, ano nagkakilat? Yes. Naririnig niyo ba, guys? Diba? Ang lakas. Gagawa na kami ng black sambo. Of course, with the help of the birthday girl. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go make na.
Mars. Ang best friend sa Mars.
Yeah. Oh, best friend. Yung best friend namin. Oh my gosh. Alam niyo kasi, guys, yung best friend namin na si PLDT. Ayun. Minsan okay, minsan hindi. So, sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, same procedure yung gagawin natin, guys. You need to dissolve the gelatin. Put the cocoa powder. So, after this, we're going to put sugar. But since may natirang condense sa amin, so we're just going to put condense instead of the brown sugar that I've said earlier. Yung goal natin sa chocolate is dapat maging bitter yung taste niya. Hindi siya yung matamis din. Para mag-balance yung flavor ng black sambo natin. The chocolate must be bitter. Now, we're going to add the alpine or evaporada. So, ito na yung white na part ng sambo. And ilalagay na natin yung chocolate part. Tapos na namin gumawa ng black sambo. So, we're just going to wait tomorrow. And, yeah, I'm just so excited na matikman ulit yung black sambo. I hope na hindi siya fail. Sobrang tagal na talaga yung last na lutok ng black sambo. I think that was November. So, yes! Charot. So, kinain na namin yung sa glass. And, perfect! Good afternoon, guys! So, today is Saturday and it's Carla's birthday. So, we're going to have a mini celebration later. So, late na ako nagising and did some cleaning and also nag-edit ng vlog for, yeah, I hope ma-finish ko siya. So, bumaba si Carla para kunin yung samgyup na in-order niya. So, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so the samgyup is here and look!
Dami.
Mauubos pa namin dalawa yan. OMG. Good luck to us later, Mars.
This is a 1.8 kilo
Beef and pork, right?
for something.
OMG. So many.
Just the lettuce.
And then,
Pero ang tawag.
kimchi. The
The
lettuce. What's this? Sauce?
Oh, why?
Oh my gosh, what happened?
This is the sauce. You don't have it. Pa siya kayo through. Okay. Wala ayong. This is the beef or pork.
Oh my gosh. I'm watching this behind the scene of It's Okay Not to Be Okay, and they're so cute. OMG. So, update pala sa Black Sambo, guys. Ito na siya ngayon. Tada! Ayan na siya, guys. So, sobrang konti lang ng chocolate. But, yeah. We're going to eat this later. So, we're actually preparing for our samgyup celebration for this birthday girl. Oh my gosh. Ano to, Mars? Beef?
Yes, that's beef. Pork. Pork? I mean, beef.
And then, meron shrimp. And, I guess, spicy to. And then, pork. And then, pork. Pork or beef, I don't know. Since wala kami yung pang samgyup na lutuan, so kailangan siya naming lutuin muna bago kainin. Of course. Obviously, pero ano na tawag? Girl man sa pang samgyup. Yung parang ganon. Yes, wala kaming ganon. So, kailangan siya namin i-cook first. Ito yung mga side dish and yung sauce. So, ito yung kimchi. Pero hindi ganyan kadami yung kimchi, ha. Dinagdagan ko lang siya. Kasi bumili ako ng kimchi nung nagpa-hyper kami. And then, merong potatoes. And then, sweet potatoes. Yung lettuce. Yung fish cake, I guess. Yung cucumber. And then, I don't know if ito yung tofu. And then, meron siyang sweet corn. And then, lettuce with some sauce, maybe. And then, I don't know kung ano to. And then, sauce. And then, sauce. And this one is cheese. And then, ito is yung toge. Toge na, di ba? Toge. Yeah. Okay, so this is the samgyup. Samgyup ready. Yes. Happy birthday, Mars! Happy birthday! Mini celebration, samgyup sal. Ubos na ubos. Thanks to Sham Sham for giving us this two-face mask.
Where's mine?
Just going to end the vlog here, guys. So, I don't know if this is the proper way to end the vlog.